Want to download Gemini AI but not sure how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download the Gemini AI application. Let's get started. First, open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Now type Gemini AI. Then tap on Search. Tap on Google Gemini. Then tap on the install icon. Now let it download. Tap on Open icon once the download has been completed. Now you can start using the application by following the instructed steps. And that is how to download Gemini AI app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.